Hello guys, welcome to our channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the button subscribe. It will help us continue adding videos on this channel, and of course it will help you guys as well. So today's video is all about resetting your WordPress installation. So sometimes we have issues and we have to do the troubleshoot and debugging. For that, this WP Reset is a very good plugin, and it actually helps you to save your files before you reset everything on your installation. We will be doing how we can install this plugin and how we can use this plugin to save the whole data on your WordPress before resetting every content on the website. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the WordPress website where you want to reset it, or let's say you want to install a new theme, or you want to start from the scratch. It's better that you reset your file, your WordPress installation before you start working on it, to avoid issues, because sometimes the database tables are already filled and there are conflicts when you install new themes, and the new theme is not working properly, or the new plugins are not working properly. So in that case, we recommend resetting your WordPress before doing any new work. The good thing about WP Reset is that you can create snapshots using this plugin. Snapshots meaning that you can actually save your data. You can actually save your whole website before you reset it. It means that whenever you need it back, like you say, oh, I want my website back, in that case those snapshots will actually help you. So let's see how we can do it. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to add a new plugin from this area. So when you are here, you can simply go and search the plugin WP Reset, or you can alternatively go and search on the Google for WP Reset, and you can easily find it on wordpress.org. You can download from here, and you can simply upload the plugin from this option. But the another easiest way is to find the plugin, or is to search the plugin inside the WordPress database. So let's install it. So my plugin has installed. Now we will activate it, and first we will see where we can find it to reset the WordPress, and how we can create a snapshot to restore the website later on in case we need it. So when you install this plugin, you see a pop-up like this. You can simply click on this button to go to the settings, where you can create snapshots and reset your WordPress, or you can go to tools and you can see the WP Reset here. So go here, and it directly comes on snapshots. Normally it comes on this reset button, and there are kind of options, but you can even reset simple some like custom things. It's if you want to just reset your media, you can of course reset it. Like there are a number of options, you can check them. Or on the end of this and the or end of the page, you will see site reset thing in here. But before going to reset the site, I would suggest you always create a snapshot from here. Snapshot, actually you don't have to do anything. You just like go and create and click on the snapshot, and you can name it whatever you want to rename it, and then click on this snapshot. Now it says my snapshot has created, it reloaded, and that's my snapshot. What it means, you can do multiple things from here. You can download this snapshot, you can restore it, so actually you can save it. on your computer to avoid as a kind of backup. So as I have created the snapshot on my website, now I am just going to reset everything on the WordPress. So it asks me a few of these options, like it says if I want to reactivate my theme or if I want to reactivate my plugins. So these are the few options. You can click on any if you want. I am not going to click on anything because I don't want anything reactivated. So I will simply click on reset. I have to write reset in this small alphabets, and then you can simply click on this button to reset your website, or you can create a snapshot from here as well. So this is the data at the moment on my website, and now I'm going to reset it. So it asks me as a final warning, yes, I am sure, reset my WordPress. So now it's resetting my WordPress. It will take like 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes it take more minutes depending on how much data your website has. So that's all. And now I got a clean installation of WordPress. I don't have to go to the hosting or to hire someone to reinstall WordPress for me, but rather what I did, I just simply reset everything, and my site is now a brand new site. And if I go and visit my site on the front end, it says it's exactly like it's new. So in this way you can simply go and reset your WordPress installation. I hope this video helps. Do let us know if you want us to review some plugin or any theme. We will try to do that, and we will try our best to help you, help the new beginners or the people who are aiming to have business directories or any type of WordPress website in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.